To start it, you want to make sure that you are on the correct port. Port A, that's this one, port A. Green light. You want to make sure you're forward, which is a green light. You want to make sure you're start out with the hand dial controller here, green light. The next one is plug it in all the way, hit the start. You can start hearing it. This here is the ring that will adjust how hard or soft it hits. You just have to press on the tip to get it to move. That's it. Now the other thing you might want to check is this. Unscrew the bottom and make sure that this is plugged in all the way. Make sure your motor brushes are in, which is one there or one there. They should be at least 2 millimeters long. Other than that, that's it. Ready to go. Plus you got to have an anvil and tip in there. That's it.